Discord has announced a global requirement for all users over 13 to submit video selfies or government IDs for age verification, starting in early March 2026. The policy forces everyone into Teen by Default settings that blur sensitive content, filter stranger messages, and restrict access to age-gated servers unless verified. Discord claims the on-device facial scans or ID uploads enhance teen safety, with data deleted immediately and processed by third-party vendors. This comes months after a major security breach at vendor 5CA exposed ID photos, names, and emails of 70,000 users to hackers in October 2025. Discord confirmed they revoked access and notified victims. But critics highlight the risks of centralizing personal data worldwide. Reports indicate gamers are quitting en masse, calling it a privacy disaster with no opt-out for full features. Industry watchers say this could spark user exodus and regulatory scrutiny as Discord rolls out the changes. Stay tuned for reactions from users and authorities.
vp.net, the only VPN that you don't have to trust, because it can't spy on you.